right, my YouTube friends and family, this is Lindsay, and I am back with more non-phone, no-talking data entry type work from home job leads for you. I have 7 different jobs in today's video that's hiring right now in 2024. The last one involves a lot of data entry, so these are going to be mostly non-talking jobs. I know a lot of you from the comments are looking for things that are non-phone, work from home, no customer service, no call centers. So we are going to dive straight on in. I do just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Please also share with all your friends and family, because the goal of 2024 is just to make sure that everyone is working from home, living their happiest, healthiest life, creating that great work-life balance. And also feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for with any education and experience that you have. I can never promise anything, but I do read those and keep that in mind when I'm out here searching for job leads to share. But first up, we have the company Corvel. Corvel has 590 reviews from past and current employees. An overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a full-time data verification specialist. It does say this is a remote work from home opportunity, but they're looking for somebody to be responsible for the validation of all incoming data to the bill review system, responsible for identifying and applying customer-specific rules and processes for the bill review. You'll have to be in communication with your supervisor regarding your work queue and assist the bill review department with clerical duties as assigned. So you're just going to be doing data entry into the bill review system and then reviewing bills as needed for any errors. They only require a high school diploma or GED. They do prefer somebody who has some kind of professional office experience, although what they're really looking for is somebody who can be a problem solver, have basic computer skills, specifically with Microsoft Office systems, work independently, and have strong interpersonal and time management skills. Pay for this position is anywhere from $15.50 an hour all the way up to $22.36 an hour. Now, next up, we have the company Sirva. Sirva has 530 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They have a position open right now for a revenue processor. This is virtual for the United States. All of these positions are going to be for the United States, but they're looking for somebody to review and analyze contracts for data input and integrity. So they break down the percentage of what you'll be doing in the job. 40% or almost half of the job is processing orders using correct pricing per order. You're going to check that all vendor support is submitted on the system and accurate. You'll pay vendor for services performed with their billing process. Then you'll apply basic problem solving and research techniques to address any issues that arise. Now, 20% of this job is providing customer service to the agents and vendors. It doesn't say how that's done, so it's possible you will have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls from time to time, but it looks like 80% of this job is going to be no talking, non-phone. They don't require any kind of college degree, although they prefer one. They only require a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has a great attention to detail, great customer service skills, great math and problem solving skills. And again, you've got to be able to work those Microsoft Office systems. Now, one thing to note, they did not list actual pay in their job description, so actual pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. However, people who have worked as a revenue processor at Sirva in the past have reported their salary to Glassdoor from being anywhere from $43,000 a year all the way up to $58,000 a year. Now, next up, we have UnitedHealth Group. If you're interested in this one, I urge you to please put that application in as soon as you are done with this video. Make sure you always have a resume ready to go, because UnitedHealthcare hires a lot of work from home positions, and so they often only leave their positions up for a very short period of time. So this one might be gone sooner rather than later, but UnitedHealthcare has 16,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a payment variance specialist. Again, this is remote nationwide for the United States. They are looking for somebody, though, to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. They're offering 4 weeks of paid training during those same hours. Training is going to be conducted virtually online. And they're looking for somebody to basically work closely by way of problem solving with peers and leaders to address payer underpayments and issues or changes that directly impact the accounts receivable. So when a claim to a doctor or provider has been underpaid, not paid the full amount that was in the contract, you'll have to try to research and figure out why the system or why the claim was not processed to pay the correct amount. You'll resolve assigned accounts in a timely and accurately manner, taking necessary actions to do AR adjustments in accordance with the department's policy, just reviewing historical payment information, reviewing potential payment differences, and resolving any payment disputes by following the appeals protocols and processes. Now, they only require you to be 18 years or older and 1 year of experience with some kind of payer regulations, knowing principles of accounting or something like that. You do have to know medical terminology and be able to use computer systems like Microsoft Office, Word, Outlook, those types of things. Now, they prefer somebody who has 1 year of healthcare experience. But other than that, just being a great problem solver. Pay for this is anywhere from $16.54 an hour all the way up to $32.55 an hour. Now, next up, we have American Express. Their global business travel department has 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a payroll clerk. Now, this one says it can be for the United States or Canada, but they're basically looking for somebody to serve as backup support for U.S. and Canadian payroll specialists, making sure that the payroll transactions are correct and in compliance with all payroll policies. You'll help support escalation tickets by acting as timekeeping and gross to net reconciliations and validating during the payroll process. So you'll maintain an understanding of timekeeping and pay calculations and assist the payroll management in the effectiveness of the oversight of the payroll process, from validation of timekeeping to the payroll process, making sure that all employee payments and government filings are accurate. So you're going to assist in like gathering information, reporting in compliance, different things like that. Pay for this position is anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $40 an hour. And American Express did not list a whole lot of what they are looking for, but they do say that they offer flexible benefits, travel perks, and well-being resources. Moving right along, though, we have the company VC3. They only have 68 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a 3.9 out of 5 star rating, though, and they are looking for a billing specialist. Their billing specialist will be responsible for reviewing contracts and understanding the billing terms, the payment schedules, and invoicing requirements. You're going to create and send invoices. So you're going to create and send these invoices to customers according to their billing terms that's outlined in their specific contract agreement. You're going to make sure these invoices are accurate, timely, just checking all the data, making sure they are correct. You'll manage the billing schedules according to their contract agreements and just resolve any billing errors and discrepancies as needed. You'll do some data entry, updating these billing records to making sure they are correct, including invoices, payments received. You'll have to enter those into the system when they're received, things like that. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They are looking for somebody who has great attention to detail, someone who has strong numerical and math skills, somebody who can think critically or analytically, like be a problem solver, and have great organization and time management skills. Unfortunately for this one, they did not list a pay, and I could not find the pay on Glassdoor. Pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. But next up, if you're looking for something in the healthcare field, we have the company Aspirion. They have 80 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote hospital billing representative. Pay for this one is anywhere from $18 to $22 an hour, and they're looking for somebody to submit those electronic billing records to insurance companies and conduct follow-up with those insurance companies. So you'll research and investigate insurance benefits for insurance claims. You'll obtain claim status mostly through the internet, but if you need to pick up the phone from time to time and make an outbound phone call to get information, you will. But in today's world, most of the insurance payers have those online provider portals. You'll resolve accounts quickly and accurately, making sure that you have the correct reimbursement for each claim. So you'll handle incoming and outgoing mail, scanning, indexing documents, researching, verifying insurance, just all kinds of data entry and research when it comes to making sure a claim is paid and paid correctly. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED and 2 or more years of experience in insurance follow-up, hospital claims processing, or something like that. You've got to have great listening skills, be a multitasker, have great organizational skills, and be a critical thinker, problem solver. But if that one wasn't for you, that's okay. Next up, we have the company Wellsky. Wellsky has 304 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a remote billing specialist. Now, this one is going to have a lot of data entry associated with it. They're looking for somebody to enter data like patient information, admission information, discharge information, just ensuring that all data is accurate and ties out. So you'll probably be reviewing a lot of medical records or doctor paperwork, entering this information for the patients in the system. You'll also send out invoices, posting Medicaid and income remits, or posting payments, making sure that you enter payments into the system as they come in to the correct account. Just double checking all accounts, making sure that they are correct and nothing is delinquent. They only require a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 1 year of skilled nursing billing experience or has knowledge of nursing home insurance billing and insurance collection. You've got to be familiar with those Microsoft Office systems. And of course, Wellsky did not list their actual pay either, but according to Glassdoor, billing specialists at Wellsky make anywhere from $40,000 a year all the way up to $57,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video through all of my rambling, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.